Hey traders, good afternoon, good morning, good evening, and welcome to the session today. Good to have everyone here. Glad to see that we have a full house. These traders are starting to come into the trading room. This is the Pip Grabber Trading session, so welcome to those that are here for the first time. And just give you a little bit of information about what we do here in the Pip Grabber Trading Show is that we look for 20 pips in the market. We try to grab 20 pips in the market, and we are chasing after those 20 pips, and that's about it. We're not looking to go ahead and chase after 200-300 pips on each trade. We're just looking to grab those 20 pips out of the market. That's all we're looking for, 20 pips out of the market. Now, the reason why we do that is because we've got a track record that shows that we've got a lot of potential for these type of setups. A lot of potential. In fact, we've made over 13,000, almost 14,000 pips already based on our trade copier that follows this trading strategy. And we've made over 81%. In fact, I think we're at 82% right now in returns this year alone, based on what we do here in this in the session. Now, trade copy is doing this, but we are doing some manual trades as well. And in this session, not only are we talking about the trade copier, what it does, and the performance of the trade copier, but we're also looking at trading opportunities that are also available for us to go ahead and trade manually. And we have what we call a trading tool. It's called a Pip Grabbing Trading Tool. If you want more information about that, we haven't released it yet. Check out the description below. In the description, you'll be able to get all the information you need to know about our social media connections, how to connect to my Telegram accounts, how to connect to all the YouTube channels that we do go ahead and broadcast on. That not only do you get this information, but other information about the markets as well, cryptos as well. We also talk about cryptos as well. This is the go-to channel for this information. So make sure that you go ahead and check it out. We're growing rapidly. It's really getting really good with regards to the audience and the sort of the growth that we're getting right now. We're really excited about it. So check out the description below. Check out for the information about the Pip Grabber tool as well as the trade copy as well. Now, with that being said, traders, I always want to make sure that we are reminding traders that we are broadcasting on a Tuesday, Wednesday, and on a Thursday, and our times have changed. We are broadcasting on a Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday at 11:30 Eastern Standard Time. That is the time we broadcast, and we do that every single day on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. But also importantly, if you want to get access to the videos, the live videos, make sure you subscribe to the channel, because if you subscribe to the channel, you will be able to get the notifications that we are going live. But also, most importantly, when you do subscribe, go ahead and click the notification bell so you can make sure that you get notified of the trading opportunities. All right, or at least of the video being uploaded. So with that being said, let's get into what we are going to discuss today, and that is the trading opportunities. So we're going to go ahead and take a look at the trading opportunities today, making sure that we do identify what is moving, what is not, and what we're here for is to look for those short-term 20 pip opportunities. And I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. I do trade live. This is not demo trading. This is all live trading. So we do trade these signals live, just so that you know that, I'm not a demo trader. I'm a live trader. So this is the real deal. All right. This is the real McCoy right here. All right. All right. So let's go ahead and dig into the details, and we'll go ahead and show my charts. And let's go ahead and pull that up. And I got to just change my, I think it's this right here. Hold on. There we go. Okay, cool. So let's go ahead and take a look and see what's going on right here as we dig into the details. And once again, making sure that everyone understands this is the trading strategy right here. As you can see, 82%, 80% to 82% return for the year so far. Almost 14,000 pips being grabbed. This is the trade copier, and this is pretty much what we do from a manual perspective as well. We also look at this. Now, I do have the trading tool running on autopilot at the moment right now, and the trading tool is doing pretty good. I'm running on a demo account because I'm testing, doing some QA testing on that. And at the moment right now, it's got 4% up since we started, and we started in late September and October. You can see right here we're up at about 3.5% in October already. So it's doing pretty good on its own. So the trading tool is also something that that could be pretty useful for traders as well, not just following the trade copy as well. It's good to have both worlds. But let's go ahead and take a look at what we have right now with regards to some live trading opportunities. So let's jump into some trades right now. Okay, so firstly, number one, we were trading, and by the way, for those that have just joined us, we are trading 5 currency pairs. All right, we're trading 5 currency pairs, and the 5 currency pairs we do trade is the Euro US dollar, New Zealand CAD, Aussie CAD, US dollar CAD, and the Canadian Swiss. Is that all 5? Let me make sure. I'm going to go ahead and change it over here. So these are the ones that I focus in on for the trade copier. Aussie CAD, New Zealand CAD, US dollar CAD, Euro US dollar, I forgot that one, and then CAD Swiss franc right here. Those are the ones that we're going to go ahead and focus on. So if I look over here on the Euro US dollar right here, we were bullish on the Euro US dollar, and we did say look for the price to go ahead and take out this high at 1.1640. Price to take out the high. We ended up taking our profit. In fact, I closed out profit on this trade. As you can see right here, I closed out my trade on this. Here we go. Euro US dollar right here. Yeah, you can see the position that we closed. So we closed out this right here. Closed out my trade on the Euro US dollar. Took my profit on that. And then on the New Zealand CAD as well, I did take my profit on the New Zealand CAD. Some might say it's a bit early, but that's because that was our target. All right, we wanted to capture 25 pips net profit on here. I was a little over leveraged on this. I'm not going to lie to you. I was a little bit over leveraged on this position, and so I ended up taking profit on this. But I'm now looking for a pullback, so it might be time to go ahead and start thinking about New Zealand CAD sell off as we look for price to go ahead and pull back, at least for the 20 pip pullback. Right? If we can get that 20 pip pullback, we may be able to grab 20 pips on this trade right here. So I like the New Zealand CAD short at the moment right now. Let's go into the chart, and let's just take a quick glance at the chart right now. New Zealand CAD. And right here, if I look at the New Zealand CAD, this is a 4-hour time frame. Maybe I can break it down to the 1 hour, see a little bit more details. And if you look over here on the 1 hour, yeah, we can see that we did have a wave 1, right? Here's a wave 2 right here. And then price rallied up way past the 1.618 right here, giving us a wave 3 right here. So we had 1, 2, and then 3 up here. Price pulled back right here, giving us a wave 4. And now we're getting price pushing higher. Now it's gone past the 1.27. So we're really past one. There's the 1.618 right here. So we're way past it. So correction is due, and correction could come back down to retest this wave 4 right here. Now, I'm going to be honest with you. I'm not really worried about whether or not price is going to go all the way back down to that level right here. All I want to do is grab 20 pips. And so as I look at this setup right here, I look at this and say, well, if that's the case, then maybe if I can go back down to this trend line, will that give me at least my 20 pips that I'm looking for? The one thing that we do know is that we're due for a correction. Take a look at the oscillator. A lot of divergence here. And again, this is where we thought price is going to turn around, and it's gone a lot higher. So it's well overbought right now. Pullback is due. Let's take a look and see right here. Can we get our 20 pips out of this trade right here? And I believe we can. Yep, look at that. 44 pips for it to come back down to this trend line right here. 46 pips. So we've got a 46 pip drop, expected drop right here. To find support from that trend line, we should be thinking bearish on this. So I'm good to go on this, and I'm going to go back into the New Zealand CAD instead of that, and I'm going to make up that profit that I lost over here. I'll never make it up, but I want to go ahead and use, I've got a new trading tool. I've got the new trading tool. I'm going to go ahead and use the new trading tool. Let me go to, give me 1 second right here. I've got to pull up my new trading tool right here. Let's see here. And I'm going to connect my new updated trading tool that I'm going to use on this. And let's see here. Give me 1 second while I dig into. Sorry, I should have had this up and ready to go, but I do not. So I do apologize for that. And we're looking for Pip Grabber right here. Okay, so let me grab here. Tell you what, I'm going to have to wait this one out. Hold on, maybe I do have it here. Let's see here. I'm going to grab this one right here. I want to make sure I okay, there we go. So let me just add this to my list here. Oh snap! Hold on a second here. Got to change the name quickly. All right, so let's take a look over here. And I'm going to double check to see if this is the right tool. All right, I'm going to have to wait. Let me see here. Lot size. No, this is not the. Hold on a second. Sorry, guys. Give me 1 second here. Let me double check here. Okay. Okay. You know what? I'm going to use my old one. I'm going to have to use the old one that I had, the original one. Okay, so I'm going to use the original one right here. So I want to go ahead and sell. I believe I've got it fixed over here, set and defaulted. I'm going to change my lot sizes. I got a little aggressive on the lot sizes. I'm going to drop my lot sizes a little bit right here, and my lot sizes are going to be dropped down a little bit lower to, let's see here. I'm going to go ahead and 20,000. That'll be 0.2 lots every. Let me see here. Every 1,000. Yeah, 0.2 lots. I'm going to go with 0.2 lots on this. Yep. Yep, that's what I'm going to do here. So I'm going to drop my lot sizes down to 0.2. I had it at 0. I had it at 0.5, but I'm going to reduce the lot size. I can reduce my risk on this. And I think that's everything else. Yep, I'm going to go into there. Pip distance is going to be 25 pips apart, 20 pip net profits, and we are good to go. All right, good stuff. Let's see here. True on the. That's going to be. I'm going to go to break even on 7. Actually, I want to go break even on 10. And let's see here. False right here. All right, good stuff. We're good to go. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and sell. There I am there. I'm in. My break-even point right now would be 88.45, and I'm looking for price to go for a 20 pip grab on here. So I'm going to go ahead and continue to hold this position. So I'm selling on the pound. The New Zealand CAD. Selling on the New Zealand CAD. This is the setup right here. Let's take a look over here. Where's my charts? This is the one here. Let me pull this across. Okay. So selling on New Zealand CAD, looking for a pullback. A little further back down south. And the trading tool, Jack, is called, I'm sure it's Jack, but in any case, the trading tool is called the Pip Grabber Trading Tool. Once again, check out the description below. You'll be able to see details about how you'll be able to get some more information on the Pip Grabber tool. That's the tool I just used right now. All right, I'm still in QA, but once it's ready, if you want to get information about it, once it's ready, I'll go ahead and send information out to you. This is what we're doing, selling on the New Zealand CAD. Now, we're not done yet. Let's go to US dollar CAD. Now, I'm in on a few positions. No, hang on, I'm not. I'm not in on the US dollar CAD yet. Not on this account. Let me see here. Where am I? Yeah. US dollar CAD. Nope, I do not have anything in on the US dollar CAD right here. So I am definitely want to go ahead and take a look at this. Let me do this. I'm gonna save the settings here. So I'm gonna go ahead and trade it now on this one here. Load it. Save my new settings here. All right, so my new settings is going to go with 0.2 lot sizes per entry, 0.2. Now I'm going to look to buy a US dollar CAD, but I'm going to take a look and see where I want to buy. I'm going to move this down to a 15-minute time frame. So overall, I'm expecting a US dollar CAD to actually go bullish. I'm going to go to the daily time frame to verify that, but take a look right here. See how we got this support right here? Let me zoom in closer so you can see. Right? Can everyone see right here how we got this support right here? How price moved up, pulled back, came back up here, retested the support right here. And so we're looking for the market to go ahead and rally. What? Now, if you want to go ahead and trade this, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and look at this upside move right here. And so we're at the 382 bounce. Price can move from the 382 bounce to the high, and that's 22 pips. So even if we just move sideways today and goes back up to the high right here, we're looking at a 22 pip rally. Now, let me go to the dollar index. I'm going to take a look at the dollar index. I'm going to see if the dollar index is lining up with what I need as well. And remember, we're looking for the dollar index to rally. All right, we're looking for the dollar index to rally in short term, just a little rally. And so let's monitor this. See what I got here. See, here's the 1.618 right here. So we had this downswing. Price came up to the 1.618 right here. Oh, and that's actually acting as a little bit of resistance there. Okay. All right. So that's a little bit of resistance there. So that means if this is going to be my new downward swing right here, my new downward swing, I'm looking for price to drop back down to this level right here. So let's put that in. I'm going to go ahead and mark that off. That level is priced at, I'll give it to you now, priced at around about 1978. And so if price does fall lower, it'll drop about, is that 23 pips? 27 pips? That's no big deal. So if we enter here and we don't get our 20 pips going up, and the market comes down here 20, we're going to enter back here about 27 pips down or 25 pips below here. So I'm quite happy buying on US on the. Oh, hang on. Sorry, this is the dollar index. My bad. Okay, so if the market does drop back down there, and this normally is twice the distance in pips, so if this is going to be a 27 point drop, then we're looking at twice that. We're looking at about 54 points on the US dollar CAD. So let me go back to the US dollar CAD. So US dollar CAD is still set up bullish, but if it does drop back down 54 points, it's going to take out the low. All right, so okay, that makes sense. Now, let me see here. Where is the 1.27? Right, the 1.27 is way down here. So from the 127 here, let's see here. We got about 128 pips. You know what? I don't think it's going to go down that far. Not based on what I'm seeing on the dollar index. I think this is going to be. I think we're going to hold up here, and I think we're going to get at least our 20 pips on the move going long. Let me double check here. If I go to the Pip Grabber signals, so yeah, Pip Grabber signals right here. Let's pull it across. Here we are, Pip Grabber signals. We had the last trade signal on this. There it is there. That was a buy at 123.14. So 123.14. And we are trading at 123.49. So we did get a buy down here. Let me go back here and take a look. 123.14. And that was just recently. 123.14. Wow. 123.14. That must have happened right here at the bottom right here. Okay. All right, so let's buy. So I'm ready to buy on the US dollar CAD. Buy. There it is. I'm in. And by the way, the system, this Pip Grabber tool, is going to put me in 20 pip increments, so 25 pip increments. So as the market continues to dip further down south, it will re-enter me at 25 pip increments. All right, so we're going to keep an eye on that. So we're in on the, let's take a look right here. We're in on the New Zealand CAD short, and we're in now on the US dollar CAD long. And I'm not done yet. Let's take a look and see what else we got. Well, I keep going to the wrong chart here. My bad. Let's go to, let's take a look at the next thing here. Swiss franc. I know I'm in on the Swiss franc. I'm not going to do anything on the Swiss franc. I'm long, short on the Swiss franc already. So I am in on the Swiss franc, and I'm going to hold that position. Let's go to New Zealand CAD. Hold on, we're in already on the New Zealand CAD. What about the euro? All right, hang on. Let me just take a double check here. Euro, we are not in on the euro US dollar right here. So euro US dollar is in a pullback. And let's take a look here. Now, traders, we were targeting that 1.16 level, right? We were targeting this level at 1.1640. That's what we said the price is going to go ahead and target, and then we said the market's going to go pull back. And so if I look over here, I do see a wave 1, 2, and 3. Now, I think we missed out on a sell because the signal on the Pip Grabber, the last signal we got on the euro right here was actually a, let's see here, we closed out 2 positions with a net profit of 20 pips. And it was a, oh, there's a sell right here. So we did get a sell. We actually were selling on the previous trade. They closed out with a net 20 pip profit right here. And so here we have another sell at 1643. And price is trading at right now 1631. So we're pretty much 10 pips in the profit, maybe 13 pips in the profit already on that trade. So I'm going to stand aside on Euro US dollar at the moment right now because we're too close to our profit target on this on the trade copier. And so I'm going to stand aside on Euro. We should have been selling right at the top, but we did not, and that's okay. We're going to stand aside on that particular pair right here. Let's go to Aussie. This is the Aussie CAD. Aussie CAD did hit this 1.618 right here. Look at that. So we did blow out. Let's go ahead and clean up a little bit right here. We blew out of this big support right here, or at least resistance. All right. We broke out of that resistance. Price had moved up all the way up. Let's go ahead and pull up another fib right here. I'm going to go ahead and kill something here. We have this big fib right here. Oh, look at this. Traders, this is beautiful right here. Look at the 1.618 right here. Right? We had a 1.618 right here. Price is going to hit the 1.618. The inside swings. There we have an extended move. You can see a wave 1, 2, 3. So we have an action extended move. So we are looking for pullback. On the Aussie CAD right here. Let's take a look at the last signal we got on the trade copier. Aussie CAD. Let's see here. Aussie CAD sell. There we go. Aussie CAD. There was the last signal was at 92.33. So 92. Oh, that was about 10 pips ago. So we're at 92.42. So we can gain an extra 10 pips on this one. I'm going to sell on the Aussie Canadian as well. Going to adjust my risk parameters right here. And I'm going to go ahead and sell. So I'm selling Aussie CAD. I'm selling New Zealand CAD. And I'm buying US dollar CAD. I'm standing aside on the Euro US dollar. And I'm already in on the CAD Swiss with multiple positions. So I'm pretty solid right now. So we entered in 1, 2, 3, 4 trades right now. Oh no, we entered in 3 trades. We stood aside on the Euro US dollar, and we are on the side. We're in a trade already on the Canadian Swiss. All right. So that pretty much wraps up the trade opportunities that we have for today. Once again, traders, if you enjoy these sessions, enjoy these live sessions, enjoy these live trading opportunities, make sure to go ahead and subscribe to the channel, but also go ahead and smash the like button. Smash the like button so that we can go ahead and continue with these live sessions 3 times a week, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday at 11:30 Eastern Standard Time. With that being said, traders, good luck with your trades, and I'll see you back again tomorrow, same time, same place. Look for that 20 per profit. See you then.